Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today an Orwak bagger. It's operating on 120 volt single phase. This is, if you come in here, you can take a quick look. This is our loading chamber in here, and you'll see it's slotted on both sides for entry into your straps or on your bundle once it's created, like typical of most balers. This rolls forward, has to be locked in place. And then you can start your ram. Now, there's a up, down, and a neutral position. If you can look in the top, Tim, you can, don't be too close, you might not see that well. You can see the ram will go down, finish its stroke, return back to the up position. Took us a few times just playing with it. There are instructions here, and then across here. Okay. It also has an e-stop, stop anything at any time. And on the side here, this is the housing, by the way, down below for the its own onboard hydraulic system. You can hit, this unlocks the chamber, and we'll let it rise up to remove the bale from the compact area. This lowers it down. It's got a manual with a safety for your foot. And it has some nice spring devices which kind of let it, you don't lock it back in. Lock it back in. Has to be locked in so you can make a bale. Of course, it has this little dust hood right here on both sides, which is a nice feature, with one central discharge. And there you go. We'll have this ready for shipping shortly.